everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be learning the topic subject, verb and agreement for class 7th. Let's start. What is subject verb agreement? It means the subject and verb must agree in number. Singular subject is equal to singular verb. She runs. Plural subject is equal to the plural verb. They run. Basic rules. He, she, it is equal to verb plus s. She sings. He sings. When there is he, she or it, we will add s to the verb. And when they are, they, we, you or I, we will use the verb without s. They sing. So when there is the singular verb, the singular pronoun, we will use this plural verb, and when there is the plural pronoun, we will use the singular verb. And when is, are, has or have must match. Examples. The cat runs fast. The cat is singular, so we will use the plural verb. The cats run fast. So the cats are plural, and then we will use the verb plural form. She is happy. She is singular, so we will use the singular noun. They are happy. So we will use, wait. Here's the catch. Happy does not change. Some are exceptions which does not change even when there is a singular or the plural noun. Tricky cases. Each, everyone is equal to singular verb. Each is equal to the singular subject, but everyone is not singular. But in both these cases, we will use singular verb. Two subjects joined by and is equal to plural. When there are two subjects which is joined by and, we will use the plural verb. When the two subjects joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the nearest subject. Then we have the quick quiz. The dog dash in the park. The dog is a singular, so we will use the plural noun. So the dog runs in the park. Second, they playing outside is or are. So they is a plural, so we will use the singular noun, which is. Everyone is the plural, so we will use the singular noun, which is. Everyone is excited. The end. Yay! Now you know the subject-verb agreement, and practice makes you perfect. Say cute and smart. Goodbye and see you in the next video.